Hey. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Hey.
Welcome, little artists. Get your pencil, your eraser, and your favorite colors ready. Sit comfortably, take a deep breath, and let's begin our fun drawing adventure. Follow along slowly, and remember, every drawing is special because it is made by you.
Hey.
A bright white page wakes up, quiet and clean, like a tiny stage waiting for a silly surprise. The pencil tip wiggles, takes a deep breath, and whispers, "Ready, set, doodle." Something cheerful is about to appear, but for now, the empty space giggles with mystery.
Whee!
Swish, loop, and round we go. A soft, curvy shape pops onto the page, looking like a wobbly bean that forgot which way to roll. Is it a cloud? Is it a potato? Not quite. This funny little shape is the beginning of a very cheerful piglet friend.
Yes!
Now the piglet gets a round snout at the front. Boop boop, perfect for sniffing snacks and flowers. Little ears spring up on top like happy bunny hops. The drawing is still simple, but it already feels friendly, as if the piglet might oink hello any second.
Yay!
Two bright eyes appear, wide and curious, ready to look for fun. Tiny nostrils land on the snout, and the little piglet suddenly has a face full of wonder. It seems to be thinking, "What adventure should I draw myself into today?"
Okay.
A big smile curves across the piglet's face, and a round cheek appears like a soft bubble of joy. The piglet looks so pleased, as if it just heard the funniest joke in the whole crayon box. Even the page feels warmer and gigglier now. Down below the head, a round little body is added, like a cozy snowball made for bouncing. The smile becomes extra silly with tiny teeth, chomp chomp, but only friendly chomp chomps. This piglet is not scary at all, just playful, proud, and ready to move.
Okay.
Little arms stretch out from the side with tiny fingers waving. "Hello? Hi there," the piglet seems to say. Those arms are perfect for hugging toys, pointing at rainbows, or clapping when something funny happens. The drawing is becoming more alive with every line. A curly tail twirls onto the back like a tiny spiral spring. Boing! Now the piglet looks extra cheerful, with arms ready and tail ready, as if it might bounce right across the paper. The smile says, "Something wonderful is coming next." The piglet stands calmly for a moment, round and happy, showing off its simple body and friendly face. The little cheek glows with cuteness, and the eyes look around for a buddy. The page feels like it is holding its breath before a big surprise.
Yay!
Here comes the surprise. A long, funny dinosaur shape appears in the piglet's arms. It has a curvy tail and an open mouth, like it is saying, "Rawr," but in a tiny toy voice. The piglet holds it carefully, delighted to have a pretend dinosaur friend.
Wow!
The dinosaur gets bumpy spikes along its back, little feet, and a playful zigzag mouth. It looks brave, but also very cuddly. The piglet grins beside it, proud of this silly dino pal. Together they look ready for a roaring adventure across the living room.
Whee!
More tiny details hop onto the dinosaur, making it look extra fun and handmade, like a favorite toy with lots of stories. The piglet's curly tail is back, and the two friends seem to pose together. "Rawr," says the dinosaur. "Oink oink,"
Yay!
laughs the piglet. The piglet gets steady little legs and feet, ready to stand tall while holding the dinosaur. The toy's spikes wiggle down its back like tiny triangles marching in a parade. Our cheerful piglet looks proud, balanced, and wonderfully silly from snout to tail. The smile grows sparkly, with playful teeth again, and the piglet hugs the dinosaur close. Maybe they are pretending to stomp through a jungle made of pillows. Maybe they are guarding a cookie treasure. Whatever the game is, both friends are having a very joyful time.
Yay!
The whole picture is now complete in black lines. Round piglet, curly tail, little arms, tiny feet, and a dinosaur friend full of spikes and fun. It looks like a coloring page waiting patiently. The crayons peek over and whisper, "Is it our turn now?" Hooray! Color time! The piglet turns bright pink with a rosy cheek. The shirt becomes blue, and the dinosaur shines green like a tiny leafy dragon. Now the drawing is full of life, laughter, and imagination. The piglet and Dino smile together, ready for another adventure.